Hello everyone. In this video, we will write or update a program that we wrote in Java 45. Further code to avoid a number format exception that happens when the user tries to enter an empty string instead of a number. Now, I just want to say that this video was an inspiration from a comment I found on the video titled Java 45, where we handle mismatch exception when string is input instead of a number using if statements. So we don't want to use catch and try and catch. Instead, we want to use if statements. So the comment says, hello, what if the user press enter for the first time, also known pass the empty string to your method? That I think you have to check for this particular case. This is very, very true. I missed that point. Anyway, just stumble upon your channel, which seems really great. 1+ subscriber, as you seem to publish content regularly. Keep it on. I just want to thank you so much for this great comments. Your comment both has details and information on how I can improve this video. In addition to, you also gave me a positive comment, which really is the reason why I keep going with my channel. It's for comments that I see like this that really tell me that somebody is really learning from my channel. So thank you so much for the positive feedback. And I just want to let all the audience who watch my channel that I'm constantly reading your comments and I'm liking them. Thank you so much. So to sort of update this code to address the comment that I got, which is what happens if we dealt with putting in sort of text instead of numbers. So we got that being dealt with in this method. However, if we put in an empty string, indeed, we are getting a number format exception. So we want to deal with this, but we don't want to use try and catch. Instead, we want to use if statements. So the fix is pretty easy. So I'm going to go down to this method that we wrote, which is called check input. And we're just going to check if the user entry, which is a value that was passed in here. So use entry. If the user entry is, and we use the isEmpty method. And we basically just step out as soon as this is true. So if it is empty, we basically step out. So what we're saying here, I'm going to put it in as a comment, is return, oh gosh, sorry, return true if the user enters an empty string. Okay, so let's run the code and see how this is being dealt with. So as soon as and I need probably to update my message. So or empty entries, no letters or empty entries. Okay. I'm not sure if it's sufficient, but okay. So who else is using that? Probably here somewhere. Yeah. And there's code duplication. So this program can definitely be improved by putting things, say this code has been been there for 3 times, so we can definitely put it in a method. But that's not the topic of this video, so let's just keep going. So as soon as I try to put in an empty string, it says no letters or empty entries. If I put in text, it's not happy with it. If it's putting numbers and text, it's not happy with it. But if I'm putting a number, it's fine. And this works on all the programs. So even here, if I try to put in an empty string, it's giving me that same message because we updated it everywhere. So now if I say 1, I get the value 5. And the program is pretty consistent throughout. So thank you again for the amazing comment, which helps us improve our program. Keep the comments coming. And we can always update any program that we wrote in the past, even if it was an old video, we can still update it and improve it. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one.